Hey guys, so you're probably wondering how to fix Apex Legends connection to server timed out Codenet error. Now, Codenet basically means that you're having connectivity issues to EA servers, and this usually happens sometimes throughout the day. It depends on which location you're in. And unfortunately, by the way, there's nothing you can do to fix this issue on your side. You need to wait for EA to deploy a hotfix on their servers, which would solve the issue. So what you do to make sure that it is working or not, you search up Apex Legends server status, or you can just come to this URL, apexlegendstatus.com. As you can see, all the systems here are operational. You can scroll down. Sometimes what happens is your specific server is not working, and that's why you're having issues, and other people are still able to play the game. So that's all you have to do. You just have to wait a little bit. There's nothing you can do. There's nothing wrong with your PC or the game. A lot of people making fake videos, so I just want to be honest with that. So if you found it helpful, you appreciate the honesty. Make sure you subscribe to App Mentor. I'll see you in the next one.